If you're looking to set up project management in SuiteDash for efficient team collaboration, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will guide you through the setup process so your team can start working smarter, not harder. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special bonus, an exclusive offer, and some top alternatives that might be even better for your needs. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do in SuiteDash is get your workspace organized. It's simple and it's crucial. Start by setting up your teams, departments, or specific projects you want to manage. You can easily add new clients, assign team members, and create tasks. The customization options are pretty good, but not as deep as some competitors. However, the drag and drop interface keeps things easy to navigate. Next thing, setting up your project timelines and workflows. SuiteDash allows you to create detailed tasks and milestones, which is essential for keeping your team aligned. You can assign these to specific members, set due dates, and even link tasks together to track progress. It's handy, but the timeline feature feels a bit clunky at times and lacks the sleekness of more dedicated project management tools like Asana or Trello. The third thing to keep in mind is communication. SuiteDash does provide a messaging feature, but it can get a bit lost in the sea of tabs and notifications. If you rely heavily on communication within a tool, this might be a drawback. That said, you can integrate SuiteDash with email and some other apps to keep things centralized. Just be prepared for the learning curve when managing notifications and figuring out what works best for your team. The fourth thing, document management. SuiteDash allows you to upload and share files within projects, which can be a huge time saver. However, the interface feels a bit outdated compared to more modern tools that offer smoother file sharing options. It works, but if you're used to the more seamless experience of Google Drive or Dropbox integration, you may find SuiteDash lacking. Now, let's talk about automation. This is where SuiteDash shines a bit brighter. It offers automations to simplify repetitive tasks like sending emails, updating project statuses, and setting reminders. If you're a small team or just starting to scale, this can be a game changer. That said, advanced automation features can be a little tricky to set up, especially if you're not a power user. The final thing you'll want to focus on is tracking project progress. SuiteDash gives you a variety of reporting tools, but they aren't as powerful as some competitors. You'll get the basics, but more complex reporting is something you'll need to build on your own or integrate with other tools. So, now that you know how to set up project management in SuiteDash, here's the thing. While it's a solid option, there are other tools out there that might be a better fit, especially if you're looking for smoother communication, better reporting, or more powerful integrations. That's why, if you're serious about boosting team collaboration and project management efficiency, I recommend checking out alternatives like Monday.com or ClickUp. Both offer more flexibility and integrations, plus a more intuitive user experience. And the best part? You can also grab their free trials to test them out without commitment. Before we wrap up, remember, we've partnered with SuiteDash to give you an exclusive extended free trial, but if you're looking for more advanced features for the same goal of efficient team collaboration, be sure to check out those alternatives. The link in the description will get you the best deal available to our viewers, along with some exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching!